What if your virtual world could think? Imagine playing a VR game where the characters react to your emotions, or walking through an AR store where AI personalizes what you see. This isn't science fiction anymore. This is what happens when AI meets VR and AR. Hi, I'm Cynthia, your friendly AI guide. Today, we're diving into how artificial intelligence is transforming virtual and augmented reality, making our digital worlds smarter, more interactive, and almost indistinguishable from real life. On its own, VR creates an immersive environment, but it's static. AI changes that by giving virtual worlds intelligence. It allows characters to learn, adapt, and respond differently each time you interact with them, like digital beings that truly evolve. Think of it as turning a video game into a living world. NAR, AI helps your device understand what it's seeing, whether it's a street, a product, or your face. Apps like Google, Lens, or Snapchat filters use computer vision to recognize objects and overlay digital content seamlessly. Soon, AR will go beyond filters. Imagine walking through a city where your glasses translate signs, show directions, or even highlight friends in real time. AI makes these experiences personal. In VR training simulations, it adapts difficulty based on your performance. In AR shopping apps, it recommends products based on your style. AI tracks your preferences, learns from behavior, and tailors your virtual world to fit you. The next frontier is emotional AI, systems that can detect your tone, expressions, and body language. Imagine a virtual therapist that senses stress in your voice, or an AI teacher in VR that notices when you're confused and adjusts the lesson automatically. This is where virtual reality starts feeling real. Companies are already using AI plus VR for employee training, virtual meetings, and remote collaboration. AI analyzes how teams communicate and gives feedback to improve efficiency. Students, too, can explore ancient civilizations or complex science concepts through AI-guided immersive lessons, learning by doing, not just reading. But as AI and virtual tech merge, privacy becomes a major concern. These systems can collect massive amounts of personal data, facial expressions, emotions, movement patterns. The challenge will be making these experiences smarter without becoming invasive. AI is the mind. VR and AR are the worlds it lives in. Together, they're shaping the next digital frontier, where work, play, and connection happen in realities that blend seamlessly with our own. Would you live, learn, or work in an AI-powered virtual world? Or does that idea feel a little too real? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think. AI and VR are merging faster than ever. And soon, your next reality might not be physical at all. Thanks for watching. Next time, we'll explore, can AI design better websites than humans? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an episode. Stay curious and stay real.